WebFocus Designer includes three common patterns that you can instantly apply by selecting one from the report picker. By using report patterns with different combinations of fields in the rows, columns, and summary buckets, you can quickly transform a report into a number of common layouts. First, let's create a default standard report by adding product category and sale quarter to the rows bucket, and quantity sold, cost of goods, and revenue to the summary bucket. In the resulting report, each row represents sales of a specific product category in a particular sale quarter. The sale quarter values are repeated in groups for each product category. This report is simple and easy to read. The tabbed-in values clearly indicate the hierarchies in the report. In many cases, however, you may want all values to display on every row, similar to how a table would display in your data source. Change the report pattern to grid. On the report picker, click Grid. Now all dimension values display, including repeated values. This style of report is very flexible and is often used in data grids, spreadsheets, and more. Let's start over and see how report patterns can change how very simple reports display. Click the X button above the rows bucket to clear all of the buckets in the report. This allows us to easily start from scratch. Let's add our measure fields back to the report and then change the report pattern to stacked measures. Now the report is a simple list of sales metrics and their total values. This can be an effective way to show simple KPI metrics. Now let's add some dimensions to sort the report. We can see our three measures arranged into groups of rows for each sort value. We can use this structure to show lots of information by adding another sort field to the columns bucket, creating a grid. Now you can see information for 3 dimensions and 3 measures without taking up too much space. Next, let's remove all of the row sort values from the report. Click Menu for the rows bucket and then click Clear to remove all of the fields from that bucket. The result is a simple crosstab report that shows sales information in different columns for each business region. As you can see, by using the patterns in the report picker and different combinations of fields in the rows, columns, and summary buckets, it is easy to quickly change the layout of the report to match your audience and the information that you want to communicate. To learn more, visit the WebFocus Knowledge Base, where you can search all technical topics and videos.